In this lab, you will practice locking and unlocking user accounts on a Linux system using terminals. So first open the terminal from the favorites bar. To unlock the user account, begin the typing the command to unlock first account. So enter usermod -L, -L for locking. Now the first account is bedroom. So usermod -L bedroom. And proceed to the second account, which is usermod -L sibling. Then press enter. Then proceed to the next account that you want to lock, which is usermod -L beaker. Now, remember, you can either use the command usermod -L, or you can use the command password -1, then the account that you want to unlock, to lock that in that case. So then go ahead and unlock the specific user account. Remember, when we are locking, we're using the command L. And then when we are unlocking, we are going to use the command -U. So go on, type usermod -U brown, press enter, then go to the next person that you want to unlock. So type usermod -U casino. So if you want to see where I'm getting these commands, you can just type usermod -password and then press enter. Usermod -password space U space casino. Then it will just guide you. You know, we were typing randomly, see what it will guide us to. So here it will guide you on the different commands and what they mean. So if you want to lock, if you want to unlock, they're giving you the specific commands that you're going to use. So in our case, we are unlocking casino. So we are typing in usermod -U casino. Otherwise, you could have typed in password -U casino. Same thing. But in our case, we are going to use usermod -U casino. Then usermod -U spin. So when we are done with that, we'll go ahead and confirm, actually verify our changes. So by typing cat space /etc/shadow, then press enter. So once you do that, you should be able to see an exclamation in the password field, and this will indicate that your account is currently disabled. So this is the whole process of locking, unlocking, and verifying user accounts online.